Decision Inc. is a Microsoft Gold partner with expertise in technology and industry specializations, which sets us apart as a leader in information-driven transformation. Our core focus on data and digital performance intelligence helps us enable companies to make better decisions faster. We provide specialist consulting services within data analytics, financial planning and analysis, modern workplace, and others. The Power Platform Finance solution integrates directly to the Dynamics 365 Business Central solution. It is designed to enhance informed decision-making by easily reviewing and analyzing your company's overall financial health. The tool enables a full financial review with 8 pages, enabling your team to effectively support management decision-making. The first page is the overview page, which provides a snapshot view with key financial metrics, as well as an overview of customers and vendors. The next page is our income statement view, which provides a holistic view of your current profits and losses, allowing you to evaluate overall financial performances. The key metrics available are based on expenses, income, and costs of sales sold. The data is visualized by a month-on-month view, a year-on-year view, as well as a breakdown by category and subcategory. The balance sheet view provides a current view of the company's states in terms of its assets and its liabilities. It is broken down by month-on-month overview, as well as its categories and subcategories. The next page is the accounts receivable. The accounts receivable dashboard shows you the amount owed in total and breaks it down by customer rankings, document types, and a time series analysis, as well as a customer age bucketing. In order to get the details around the accounts receivable, we provide an account details page, which you could use to transfer the analyzed work straight into other systems. The accounts payable dashboard provides a view of the total amount indebted, which is further broken down into vendor rankings, document types, time series analysis, and vendor bucketing, as well as being able to analyze the data further by its details thereof. The last page is the trial balance page, which provides a summarized statement of all debits and credits on the books. The dashboard also provides further breakdowns by time series analysis, categories, and subcategories. Thank you for viewing our Power Platform Finance solution. Visit our website at www.decisioninc.com or contact us via info@decisioninc.com and we will be in touch with you.